Now we're making our harissa dessert, and we start out with semolina. This is semolina number 3, and we have our semolina here.
You're gonna double.
Okay, we're doubling the recipe. Making our harissa dessert, and we have our semolina.
This is 2 cups.
2 cups of semolina. Adding our coconut to the semolina. This says coconut powder, and it's really unsweetened coconut. And the ratio is 2 semolinas to 1 coconut.
Here's one. Half.
Adding half a cup of sugar to our semolina and our coconut. Dry ingredients together. Now we're going to add some oil.
Half cup.
Add half a cup of oil to your dry ingredients. Mix your ingredients well. We are adding yogurt
1
to
cup.
Now we're adding baking soda to the yogurt.
Don't put too much from this. It's tastes gonna be kind of
Bitter.
yucky. So we mix it together. Now they make like a bubbling.
Adding the yogurt with the baking soda to the mixture that has the oil, the coconut, the semolina.
I can use my hand.
You can use your hands. Those are always your best tools to mix this mixture for the harissa. And harissa in Arabic means smashed or smushed or...
Yeah.
So now on the bottom, we're going to coat the bottom of the pan with tahini. This is tahini sauce, and this is so the harissa doesn't stick, and it also adds a very nice flavor. Brush the surface of the pan with the tahini so it's evenly coated before adding the harissa. Adding the harissa mixture to the pan. Pat it down flat. Make it easier to remove the harissa after it's baked. You want to pre-cut it before you bake the harissa, just like making baklava. Take your blanched almonds and you can make a pretty design on the top of each section of the harissa.
Just mix it together.
For our harissa dessert, we are making a simple syrup, which is half sugar, half water, equal amounts. Simple syrup that is for the harissa, we use 4 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. When you make your simple syrup, you will squeeze about half a lemon into your simple syrup so it doesn't crystallize. Lemon, you cook your simple syrup for another 5 minutes. We are adding orange blossom water to our simple syrup. And this gives it a very exotic taste, and this is a flavor that's often used in the Middle East, especially for desserts. So we put about 2 tablespoons into our syrup. We're adding the simple syrup to the harissa. Our syrup is cold or room temperature, and the harissa is hot or warm. And that's how you get your best results. And the reason we also cut it before it was baked was so that the syrup can penetrate into the crevices and get soaked up into the harissa. Added your syrup, you're going to move your tray around so that it's absorbed throughout the harissa.